Welcome po sa BIMS App Tutorial 04. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Barangay Chat Management Tile ng BIMS App. Ang Barangay Chat Management Module ay ginawa para magkaroon ng real-time communication between barangay constituents and barangay officials. Instead na puro physical visit or manual coordination, this module provides a centralized chat system para sa announcements, inquiries, and coordination. Sa main dashboard, makikita natin ang tile na Barangay Chat Management. Kapag binuksan ito, dadalhin tayo sa Barangay Chat screen. Dito makikita ang Join Us section, ang listahan ng logged-in users at ang Barangay Chat Room. This gives users a simple way to communicate inside the BIMS system. One important feature of this module is the public chat room. Ito ay para sa open discussions, general inquiries, and announcements na pwedeng makita ng authorized users. Kapag may message na ipinadala, it can be sent and received in real time. Behind the scenes, the system uses WebSocket technology para mabilis ang sending and receiving of messages. Ibig sabihin, hindi kailangan mag-refresh ng page para makita ang bagong message. Kapag may nag-message, lalabas agad sa chatroom. Meron din itong support for private chat but with consent. This means users cannot force another user into a private conversation. The recipient must approve or accept the private chat first. This is important for privacy and user control. Aside from text messages, the module is also designed to support images, audio, and emojis. This makes communication more flexible, especially when users need to send supporting information or quick responses. Makikita rin sa screen ang logged-in users. This helps identify kung sino ang currently active or online. Useful ito for coordination between barangay staff and users who are presently connected to the system. Another important part of this module is control and safety. Moderators can manage user behavior through tools such as kick, ban, or mute. These controls help maintain order in the chat room and prevent misuse of the communication system. All chat messages can also be stored in the database for history retrieval. This gives the system a record of past communication when needed, especially for coordination, follow-up, or accountability. Sa right side, makikita natin ang Barangay Chat Management Overview Help Panel. Dito ipinapaliwanag kung ano ang ginagawa ng module, paano gumagana ang system, ano ang core features, at bakit mahalaga ang control and safety. In summary, ang Barangay Chat Management Tile ay designed to improve communication between barangay officials and constituents. It helps reduce unnecessary physical visits for simple inquiries, supports faster response time, and improves transparency in barangay communication. This module supports digital governance by giving the barangay a built-in communication tool inside the BIMS app. Sa future how-to tutorials, pag-aaralan natin ang detailed steps tulad ng paano mag-send ng public message, paano gumamit ng private chat, paano mag-send ng media, paano makita ang online users, and paano gamitin ang moderation tools responsibly. For now, ito muna ang overview ng Barangay Chat Management Tile.